God almighty, what is this? Oh God, I can already feel my leg cramping up. Oh shit. My God. Oh, my left leg is not liking this. God, this is so weird. So freaking weird to ride. Ouch. This is just not comfortable for me. My left leg is just cramping up, dude. Okay, so this is a cruiser. This is what a cruiser is like. Never thought I would sit on a cruiser or ride a cruiser, but now I am. And kill switch, we got emergency, we got the horn again, where I would think that the turn signals were, but they're not. What are you doing? Please no. Yes! Give me the highway to myself. Well, I have to say, this is quite comfortable. Oh yeah, look at that, the 650F! A lot more engine than me, boy. So yeah, the mirrors, they are kind of functional, I guess. Yeah, this is just weird. Look at this, and my legs are so much forward, so far forward. I mean, it's not your typical like, yeah, I'm gonna go shred some corners, man. But sure, if you're into cruisers, this might be a good choice, I guess. I mean, I don't know. This is the first ever cruiser that I've actually ridden, so it's kind of exciting. You've got space for one more on the back, I guess. I don't know. Why am I trying to make this review very reviewy? I'm not a bike reviewer. I'm just riding bikes. Not too big fan of the dash here, gonna be honest. Got the same sound as the other 500s. It's probably the same engine, to be honest. I haven't done my homework on this, but it's all about taking it slow, isn't it? Not shredding. Oh God. Yeah, I'm in neutral. Fuck it. I mean, it is basically the same engine, it feels like, as the CB500. No, the CB500R feels like the exact same. A lot of people are going up there to test these bikes. Is that a Tony road? It looks like it. Well, I would check. Got a little bit more grunt to it, this bike. So yeah, I can't believe I got away from a excuse me, from a Harley driver, rider, whatever you want to call them. I'm a Harley rider, but I'm not riding a Harley. You really have to lift your feet, or I at least have to lift my feet to be able to kind of shift gear. I have to like do it like that, and then I'll have to lift the whole feet up, which is kind of annoying. So yeah, this is the pipes, the shocks, the engine. You've seen a bike before, haven't you? Your feet are so much forward. I mean, this bike it's fine if you want a cruiser. I don't know what more to say. Well, there's one button. I can press the button. What does the button do? Oh, it's the trip thing. Alright, look, the wiggle. Why? Really kicks in first gear there. Yeah, no, it actually moves. I feel very large on this bike. I feel like my legs are really bent up. You know what, I'm gonna test the CB500X as well. I'm gonna see what that feels like. That should probably be the opposite of this bike. Or not opposite, but you know, the same. Got an Aprilia here. Woo! Aprilia! RSV4! How you doing, man? I feel like this bike, I'm just uncomfortable on it, to be honest. It might be because of my riding style and stuff like that, but I have to be leaned a little bit forward. This one seems like I'm supposed to like let my arms go stretch fully out and then just leave it there, because that seems to be the most comfortable. If I try to sit like up front on it, it just feels weird because my legs are so much forward as well. And again, I'm sorry for the wind if there's a lot of wind, which there probably is, unless I've done a magnificent job taping this shit. Second, seems like all these bikes have 6 gears now. It has some grunt, this bike. Yeah, got some grunt to it. Go on, my friend, go on. We are all family, and we don't have anywhere we're supposed to be, because I'm riding a cruiser. I can be wherever I want, whenever I want. That's the beautiful part about riding a cruiser. I don't know, I'm just saying shit. There we go, Jigsaw Squad, MT-09, that's what I want. Hey lados, how you doing? You all got fancy bikes. So yeah, I guess that concludes my initial first impressions of this CMX CB something 500. I don't know. Like there's people everywhere, stuff like this. I just want to be able to ride.